Halo sahabat YouTube, jumpa lagi bersama saya Dapur Anti Odi. Kali ini saya akan membuat makanan legendaris khas Bali, yaitu nasi sele. Bahannya ubi jalar, tentunya ada beras. Yuk kita ikuti cara buatnya. Selanjutnya ubi kita kupas, kemudian kita potong-potong.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
Kita kupas, lanjut kita potong-potong ya, tali tipis.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Setengah kilo beras kita cuci, kemudian kita campur.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel
Kita beri air.
it's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why.
Prosesnya sama seperti masak nasi.
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Kemudian
As you
langsung kita masak. Ini dia hasilnya, nasi sele sudah siap kita santap. Temennya ada urapan kacang sama kacang panjang sama tauge, ada pindang sambal sei,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
ini dia, harus dicoba ya. Nasi sele, makanan legendaris Bali, pasti enak.